Don't know what a djembe is? Well, you're not alone, but it's a great and powerful tool perfect for your classroom. Hi, I'm Tenea Fabray, the National Sales Consultant for Drums and Percussion at West Music and a formal general music teacher. Today we're diving into one of my absolute favorite instruments to use in the classroom, the djembe. The djembe is a tunable hand drum that comes from West Africa, and it's been used to bring people together through rhythm for centuries. It's known for its goblet shape, and traditionally, it was carved from a single piece of hardwood and topped with goatskin. Today, you'll find djembes made from a variety of natural and synthetic shells and heads, so there's a lot of flexibility depending on your classroom and budget. What I love the most about the djembe is that it's simple to learn and easy to teach. No sticks, no stress. Because of its top-heavy design, you can either hold it between your legs or place it in a stand to keep it stable while you play. Just be sure to keep the tone hole on the bottom off of the floor. The djembe produces a wide range of sounds, from deep resonant tones to sharp high tones. With just your hands and a little technique, you can get so much variety. And it's that versatility that makes the djembe so fun for students and so powerful in the classroom. To hit the low tones or the bass tones, you want to have a slightly cupped hand right in the center of the drum. From there, you're going to bounce right off of it, producing a low tone. You want to make sure when you're hitting a djembe to use the bouncing ball or a hot stove method, because this doesn't serve anybody. For the high tones, you want to put your hand where the fingers meet the palm, right at the edge of the drum. You don't necessarily need to cup your hand, but you do need to have just that part of your hand and fingers on the drum to create your high tone. Same thing, you want to make sure it's like bouncing a basketball or you're hitting a hot stove. Always come off of the drum, because again, this doesn't do anything. Now that you've seen how easy it is to play, let's talk about how to use djembes in your classroom. First and foremost, it's an amazing tool for teaching rhythm. You can use it to reinforce steady beat, teach patterns, explore dynamics, and get students actively listening to each other. Try a call and response game, where you play a short rhythm and students echo it back. Or set up a group circle with everyone taking turns contributing a sound. You can even assign a student to be the rhythm leader and guide the class, great for encouraging confidence and creativity. At the same time, the djembe offers a meaningful way to explore multicultural music making. You can connect your rhythm activities to cultural discussions, why rhythm matters, how it's used in different parts of the world, and how we can honor those traditions in our classrooms. It's hands-on, it's energizing, and it brings music and culture together in a way students won't forget. If you're ready to bring this instrument into your space, you can find a variety of djembes at westmusic.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more music education tips, instrument demos, and creative classroom ideas. And we would love to hear from you. How would you use a djembe in your teaching? Drop your ideas or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.